Today, we are going to inspect the newest estate in town, Height Estate Ogbaku. It's just 3 minutes drive from Owerri-Onitsha Express Road. It has been cleared, parcellated, instant allocation, no documentation fee, no agent fee. As a new estate, the company is running a price promo within a short period of time. I like bringing it out when it's still new and fresh for your own benefit as an investor. So I want to drive you from Assumpta Cathedral Owerri straight down to the estate so that you can see the access road as well, take a view of the environment, okay? All right, let's go. Right now, we are at Road Safety Office Ogbaku. Remember, we are still driving on Owerri-Onitsha Express Road. Immediately after Road Safety, we are going to take a U-turn as if we are going back to Owerri. So as soon as we take a U-turn, the first road by the right leads to Height Estate. All right. By the right side is Affable Homes Limited. You can get a plot of land in this estate for 7 million naira and above. Alright. There is another estate on the left. You can see this environment is building up already. This is an extension of Affordable Homes Limited. You know, we passed the phase 1 as we are coming in. Okay, so this is the extension, and the plot here is going for 5 million naira. Right now, I'm in Height Estate Ogbaku to embrace the official launching of the estate. Okay, you see, one thing I like about this place is that it has been cleared and parcellated. That means if you acquire, you will take your plot immediately. And do you know what? This place is being managed by Alpha Nobis Real Estate Company. And one thing with Alpha Nobis is this: before they start selling their estates, they must clear parcellate so that whenever you acquire, you will be allocated instantly. And I think other real estate companies will learn from this, because it makes clients happy. Whenever they acquire, they'll be allocated instantly. Those that invested with Alpha Nobis in their other estates like Green Palms Estate, Vault Residential, are now enjoying 100% return on investment. Okay, because they invested when it was still new and fresh. So the best time to invest is now, so that by this time next year, you'll be enjoying your 100% return on investment, because Alpha Nobis knows how to appreciate their estates by developing it. Okay, so now they'll start putting up their fencing and gated house. Glory Height Estate is 3 minutes drive from Owerri-Onitsha Express Road, 15 minutes drive from Assumpta Cathedral. We have Laboss Manufacturing Limited. We have Winners Academy around here. We also have Road Safety's office. You saw the environment as we are coming. It's building up gradually. You can see the beacons in the estates. That tells you that it has been parcellated, which means when you acquire, you will take your plot immediately. The size of the plot right here is 465 square meters, which is 50 feet by 100 feet. And it comes with irrevocable power of attorney and survey plan as title, and is selling for just 2.5 million naira. And this is a promo price as a new estate. I'm very sure this price is just for a short period of time. You saw the value of other estates as we are coming, right? So the best time to acquire and invest in this estate is now that it's still new and fresh, so that as the price keeps appreciating, it's to your own benefit as an investor. Okay, so call or WhatsApp us on 08060766340 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to secure your plot or plots of land before the price appreciates or it is sold out. Okay, remember, there is no extra charges for documentation fee or agent fee. Hence, you pay 2.5 million naira, you'll be giving your document for free, and you don't pay commissions to agents. This video is coming from Leojura Global Limited. I am Justin Nwadike, the Managing Director, Lodra Global Limited, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching property videos like this in Owerri, if you like watching educative videos regarding real estate in Owerri, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share so that when we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? You can as well check us on our website with lojuraglobal.com.ng for further inquiries. Have a fantastic day. I will see you again and bye for now.